Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I want to introduce F3K servo for you guys. Okay, this SG-1212, the guided wind servo. This one is a special design for the F3K, the non-power hand launch glider. Because the wind they have a niche space for servo, so we shoulder the case and also we change the model to the chorus upgrade that. So you can see here is the old one, the SG-0211. So if you compare these two servo, then you can see the new 1212 is a shorter, 6mm, because we use the chorus model. So you have a same power as 0211. And also for the SG-1212, it's a high voltage acceptable. So you can use in 8.4 volt. And right now, this servo already available in the market. Please contact with your local SAVOX distribution, then you can have it. Thank you. Okay, right now it's a QA time.
What is F3K?
The F3K is a non-power hand launch glider. So it means you don't have a power system like order to push the glider. It's all depend on the wind. So that's called F3K.
What is the difference between DC motor and coilless motor?
Oh, for the new guided wind servo, we choose the coilless model because the efficiency is much higher than DC model and also can accept for the 8.4 volt, the high voltage. And also because we shoulder the guided servo, so we want to have a same power as the old one, 0211. So that's why we choose a coilless model.
So why we want to redesign the glider servo SG-1212?
Oh, for the SG-1212, because for the F3K glider, they have a limited on the space. That's why we want to shoulder the case and to fit with the wind. We also shoulder the rudder servo for that because the space limited. So if you still have any question, please write us the email or leave the message. We will keep doing the Q&A session for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.